Okay, so as I said before, neck relief is essentially the amount of inward bow we have. So if you have outward bow, for example, you're going to have your strings buzzing against the fret wire. So we're aiming for just a small amount of inward bow or relief. And the way to check that, there's two ways to do it. You can take a steel rule, and provided your frets are even, you can run along the top of the frets. Get down to eye level, and you're just looking for a couple of mil clearance above the 12th fret wire, which this is actually pretty good. And if you don't have a steel rule, just hold down the string, the lower E at the 12th fret, at the last fret, and just tap down at the 12th fret. There should be a little bit of play there, as in if it's sitting flat, you probably don't have enough relief in the neck. If it's sitting too high, you've probably got too much. So this is about perfect. There's just enough to tap down, but it's not sitting hard against it. Now, if you did need to make adjustments to the truss rod, you would take the Allen key that's included in your packaging, and you would insert that in the end of the truss rod, which is the hole in the headstock here. Now, you work incrementally generally, so work in quarter turns, retune the guitar, and then check the amount of neck relief. Now, if you want to tighten the truss rod, which would be to remove some of the relief, you would turn it clockwise. If you want to introduce more neck relief by loosening the truss rod or loosening the tension on the neck, you turn it counterclockwise. But again, I would work in quarter turns at a maximum and check your work, and always be retuning the guitar. Okay, so moving right along, we'll get on to the action, and that